Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are enjoying life. Si Tita po ito and I am broadcasting from Ontario, Canada. It's 11:50 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Maganda ang panahon, although still medyo malamig, but it's not too bad at all. -5, but not too bad. Medyo sanay na tayo dyan, kaya hindi na masyadong tatalab yung -5. Yeah, so anyhow, good afternoon, good morning. So I hope your day is amazing. Thursday na naman. Nangalahati na naman ang linggo. I hope your week is amazing. I hope you have accomplished things that you wanna do. Yeah, so anyhow, touching base with you again, guys. Shout out muna sa aking mga followers. Maraming salamat. Rinaldo, thank you for watching. Katutunin ko lang. I hope you are good and enjoying life. But anyhow, yeah, shout out sa aking mga followers diyan, mapabago man kayo or mapaluma. I really appreciate you guys engaging into my post, sharing my post. So, thank you. And most of you na nagfa-follow sa akin, you guys know that I have an online business na gino-grow ko in a social media platforms, and Facebook ang aking pinakamalaki, kaya ako nagla-live, nagpo-post because I wanted to share this amazing opportunity for everyone. So yeah, so anyhow, and you guys na know na every time na mag-live ako, I always have something to talk based on the conversation that I have doon sa mga tao na nagre-reach out sa akin, nagtatanong ng information about my online business. So marami. Super dami ang nagre-reach out every single day. But sad to say na konti lang talaga yung may believe sa sarili nila. Why I say that, it's because maraming tao na pag tinanong mo after you watch the webinar, maraming tao na pag tinanong mo, what is the potential, what do you think is the potential of the business for you, at sasabihin na I could see the potential, I could see why people are doing this, I could see why a lot of people are succeeding, and why there are people as well na hindi nagsasucceed. Of course, because if this is for everybody, although it is open for everybody, but again, yan yung sinasabi ko, not everyone are willing to come out of their comfort zone. Not everyone are willing to do to sacrifice short-term sacrifices for a long-term gain. Yan yung ibig kong sabihin, because of course, I understand everyone is busy, right? So many people have 2-3 jobs, working endless hours. So yun yung pinapairal na sa isipan, is wala na akong time na maisingit pa. Now, kung yan ang paiirali natin, wala talagang mangyayari, di ba? So the point is, the reason I was doing this on top of my business, it's because I'm looking at the long-term goal. Hindi ako na yung although day to day, we have to live day to day because nobody knows what the future is. However, having a long-term goal is still better than just going with the flow. Diba? Kaya yan yung sinasabi ko dyan, being intentional to do things that we wanna do in a daily basis is important. Because guess what? Kung hindi tayo maging intentional, kung ang mentality natin is go with the flow, or I'll do whatever life throws to me. Right? Maraming tao na ganun ang attitude. So guess what? Matatapos ang araw na wala kang na-achieve para sa sarili mo. Like, if you ask yourself, what is your goal? Where I wanna be 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now? Do I want the life that I have now? Ito ba yung gusto ko na mangyari every single day? Ito na lang ba talaga? Diba? Yan yung tinatanong ko lagi sa sarili ko. Ito na lang ba talaga? Yung parang tumatakbo ako every single day. Nagmamadali ako palagi. Pagdating ko sa work ko, nasa labas pa lang ako, nararamdaman ko na yung butterfly sa stomach ko. Ito na lang ba talaga? Right? So things wouldn't have changed kung hindi ako naglakas ng loob. So ito yung sinasabi ko na be intentional talaga kung ano yung plano mo na ma-achieve mo for yourself. This applies not only doon sa mga ka-business owners ko. This applies for everybody. Even doon sa job mo. Ano ba ang gusto mong ma-achieve today sa job mo? What would you do to achieve that? Because every single day, we make decisions, tons of decisions every single day. Thank you for my viewers. And tons of decisions every single day. Now, kung yung decision natin ay circle lang doon sa work natin, wala tayong goal para sa sarili natin. Yes, we are grateful na meron tayong work, but work, our pay, our salary can only help us with our monthly expenses, kung ano man yung gusto natin. But wala tayong long-term goal. Ibig ko sabihin, what if mawalan ka ng trabaho? Hindi mo control yan, di ba? What if ang company mo is nagli-lay off? La Grace Ma, thank you for watching. What if you are affected with a redundant? What if you are affected with something come up? That is out of your control, right? There are lots of things that are out of our control. Now, this is the reason why na kahit I was busy when I found out this business. The reason why I started and really do my best to set aside time to build my business, because I know this is something that I can call my own. This is something that I can fall back. Whatever happens outside of me, whatever happens in my work na hindi ko kontrolado, whatever happens in my environment na hindi ko kontrolado. Hello po, Josephine, thank you. So this is, kumbaga, a plan B, right? Because if we are not going to be intentional, how many people ba ang alam natin na nag-work abroad for many years, and then pagdating yun yung sinasabi natin na 1D millionaires. Yung bang, yes, nasa abroad ka, akala mo pag uwi mo ang dami-dami mong pera, because of course you convert dollars into Philippine pesos, then napakalaki ng difference, di ba? And then pag nag-retire na, hindi makakauwi dahil walang pera. Hindi nakaka-survive sa retirement dito sa Canada, or kung kahit saan man kayo, because sa laki na ng prices, sa laki na ng expenses sa everyday living life natin, di ba? So kung wala tayong plan B in place, saan tayo pupulutin? Gusto ba natin ng buhay na ganon? Di ba? So yun yung sinasabi ko, yan yung gusto ko na ipaabot sa inyo, just to inspire you, kasi yun yung conversation ko just this morning. to particularly two people na kausap ko today. Have watched the webinar, they love it, and the excuses is that one is busy, one is walang investment, walang pang-invest. Guys, ang investment mo dito is investment for yourself. Kung iisipin, kumbaga, i-shift lang natin yung mindset natin because yes, kung iisipin mo na magiging expenses yan, additional expenses mo yan, then, hindi ka talaga mag-move. Whereas, kung iisipin mo yan, this is my investment for myself. This is something that I'm going to work on because this is mine. This is for myself. Whatever efforts that I will put into this, I will be the one who will benefit it. I will be the one and my family will benefit it, not other people. Kung yan ang itatanim natin sa utak natin, maiiba yung pagdidesisyon natin. Diba? Now, it goes back to the mindset that we have. And then, kung sabihin mo, busy, I've been there. When I started my business, I was working full-time. I was a manager. I was managing a small team. And I teach fitness classes, of course. That is on top of that. Plus, my son is very active. Of course, I am a mom. I have a family to look after. So, kung sasabihin mo sa akin na busy ka, yes, I was there. I was working 10, 12 hours. Ang tawag sa akin ng asawa ko dati ay zombie. Because ang buhay ko ay, hi honey, bye honey. How was your day? Hindi na yung bang ganun, super busy na at the end of the day, parang exhausted ka na walang life. Parang ganun. Not now na although nagtatrabaho pa rin ako, but I have say to my schedule now. Hindi na ako nag-work ng weekend, hindi na ako tinatawag ng asawa ko na zombie. Nakakapagluto ako palagi na most of the time nakakapag breakfast kami pareho, salo-salo, but dinner is every single day, every single night. Yan yung wala sa amin. Nung kami ay nung ako ay full-time pa sa trabaho ko, at the same time siya din ay full-time. Yun yung wala. Right? Pero kung iisipin natin, yan yung pinaka-importante. Yes, importante na magtatrabaho tayo, but not hindi ang trabaho is naandyan yan. Kumbaga, yan yung short term lang na makaka-help sa atin. Kung hindi tayo mag-sacrifice to do things for ourselves para sa long-term goal natin, walang mangyayari. 'Di ba? Baka mauwi tayo sa wala. Right? Whereas if you are doing something small every single day for yourself, magko-compound yan in a year or 2, 3, 5, 10 years from now. Nasa ibang posisyon ka sa buhay mo. Rather than giving yourself working hard to other people. Diba? Yung ibang tao ang pinapayaman mo. Yung katawan mo ang binubugbog mo, diba? So, bugbugin mo na ang katawan mo now to add something for yourself and mai-enjoy mo yan later. So, saan ka diyan? Saan ang pipiliin mo? Mag-sacrifice ka now, doing on top of what you're doing to build something for you, for your long-term goals? Or, you sacrifice now for other people and do it over and over and over and over again and look at yourself 5 years, 10 years from now. Saan ka kaya? Diba? Vincent, thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in with me. Maraming salamat. And yeah, so yan yung gusto ko na maipaabot dahil that was my conversation this morning. Actually, before I taught my class. I was teaching my class this morning. Pauwi pa lang ako. So, See, kung hindi ko talaga binago ang buhay ko, parang tinitingnan ko yan ngayon, parang, Diyos mio. Thank you sa mga thumbs up diyan. Maraming salamat. So, I would have been zombie still. Diba? And I was not loving that life. I can tell you guys, I was not loving that. Marami akong namimiss na oportunidad para mag-spend. Good morning, Angie. Thank you. Good morning po. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So, marami akong na-miss na oportunidad. Ingat po palagi. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Marami akong na-miss na oportunidad. Marami akong na-miss na dinner time. Marami akong na-miss na games ng anak ko. And, so I'm grateful na kahit na slow yung pag-build ko sa business ko, at least I know that I am moving forward. Good morning, Vincent. Thank you. I know that I am moving forward towards my goal because I am putting in time to build my business every single day. It doesn't matter kung tired ako. It doesn't matter kung busy ako. I set aside time. It doesn't matter kung 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes lang yan in a day. The great news is that dala-dala ko ang negosyo ko kahit saan ako. So yaan ang difference diyan. Right? Because yung system namin works on our schedule, not all the way around. So marami dito sa business namin na full-time job, ginagawa ang negosyo na to. Why? Because again, your job is not yours. You don't have control with that. You can be laid off anytime. Whereas if you are building something for yourself on top of your job, you have something to fall back on. Meron kang plan B in place. Kaya habang may work pa tayo, dapat mag-set aside na tayo ng time to build something for ourselves. Because ang work is pang short-term goal lang yan. Hindi yan pang long-term goal. Diba? Wala tayong control dyan. Yes. So anyhow, I hope na-inspired ko kayo guys. Sinapahaba na naman ako. Yeah. So yan lang yung gusto ko na ipaabot sa inyo. Thank you sa thumbs up yan. Gusto ko lang maipaabot sa inyo because again, if we always give excuses to ourselves, so circle back doon sa, thank you sa hearts diyan. Circle back doon sa aking caption. Why we have to be intentional every single day. Because if we are not going to plan our day, we will let our circumstances, we will let our environment to plan our day. Guess what? Matatapos ang araw na wala tayong na-achieve para sa goal natin mismo. Diba? Meron tayong goals para sa sarili natin, para sa future natin, para sa future ng mga anak natin. Now, kung hindi tayo maging intentional kung ano yung gagawin natin towards our goal every single day, then matatapos ang araw natin. Good morning po, good morning, maraming salamat. Thank you. Matatapos ang araw natin na wala tayong na-achieve para sa sarili natin. Yes, siguro may na-achieve tayo pero hindi para sa atin, para sa ibang tao. Diba? Yun yung difference doon. Yan yung difference. So set aside your excuses. Set aside, be intentional kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin, kung ano yung gusto nyong makamit sa buhay nyo. Be intentional. Planuhin ang araw-araw na activities natin para doon sa goal natin. Kasi kung hindi natin paplanuhin yan, ibang tao ang magpaplano sa atin. Diba? Yung circumstances natin in every single day ang magpaplano sa atin. Now, kung yan ang paiirali natin, di wala tayong na-achieve sa goal natin. Right? Natapos ang araw natin, na busy tayo, pagod tayo, pero hindi pagod para sa ating goal. Hindi. Napagod tayo na gagawin yung trabaho. Good morning, night po dito. Yes. Good afternoon na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 12:10 p.m. na to. Hello po. Hello. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope na na-inspire ko kayo. And yeah, so be intentional talaga kung anong gusto na. Kung ano yung goal natin, set aside time. It doesn't matter kung busy tayo. Gawin natin yun every single day. Because small action na gagawin natin towards our goal every single day, mag-compound yan in a year. Think about it. Kung gagawa ka ng 1% every single day, in a year, how many percent yan? Diba? Hindi ako magaling sa number, pero pero intentional talaga ako every single day. Yes, because I want, like, you know, andyan yung work, andyan yung family, andyan yung life will get in the way every single day. Right? Hindi natin kontrolado yan. But, if we are being intentional sa gagawin natin every single day, pagdating ng gabi, masasabi natin sa sarili natin, proud tayo na yes, I have achieved something towards my goal today. It doesn't matter kung gaano kaliit yan. Be proud. Celebrate. Yan yun. So yes, okay, so so I hope na-inspire ko kayo guys. So maraming salamat again for tuning in with me. Maraming salamat sa thumbs up, sa mga hearts diyan. And thank you again for engaging into my post, my live, pag-share nyo guys. Yes, i-share natin because I am sharing this amazing business opportunity. So kung kayo po ay gusto nyo na malaman kung ano yung negosyo na ginagawa ko, go into my business page na andyan po ang aking website. Just sign up with your name and email address at ang back office na po namin ang magpapadala ng information na kailangan nyo. And after you have watched the webinar, feel free to message me. I will be more than happy to answer questions from you guys. And yes, maraming salamat. So be intentional. Okay? So yan po ang message ko sa inyo today. Be intentional to do something towards yourself, towards your goal for yourself today. And do it every single day. At masasya kayo kung gaano kasarap ang feeling na may nagawa tayo para sa sarili natin. Okay po? So maraming salamat again. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday and enjoy the rest of your week. I will touch base again with you on the weekend most probably. So yes, God bless everyone. Ingat. Thank you.